In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create rectangular and square shapes in CapCut on PC step by step in a really simple way. This is super useful if you want to make clean design elements, add background blocks behind text, create callout boxes, or build more polished looking edits without needing any advanced design software. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure your project is already loaded on the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top toolbar and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the fun visual elements, including shapes. After you click Stickers, look at the left-hand menu and select Shapes. This section contains the shape presets you can use in your video, including rectangles and squares. Now scroll through the available shapes until you find the rectangle or square that you want to use. When you hover over it, you'll see a plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to add the shape directly to your timeline. Once it's added, you'll see the shape appear as a layer in your project. From here, click on the shape in the timeline to select it. After selecting it, look over to the right-hand panel and open the Video or Vector tab, depending on what CapCut shows for your version. This is where you can adjust the shape's settings. You can change the width, height, and color, and you can also reposition it to fit your design perfectly. If you want a square, simply make the width and height equal. If you want a rectangle, just stretch the width or height until it matches the layout you want. You can also change the color to match your video style or branding. If needed, drag the edges in the preview window to resize it manually and move it around until it sits exactly where you want it. This makes it easy to create clean overlays, simple borders, or bold background panels behind captions and titles. You can even duplicate the shape if you want multiple boxes or layered effects in your edit. Once you're happy with the size and position, play back your video to make sure the shape looks good in the scene. If it feels too large, too small, or the color is too distracting, just click back into the settings and make a few quick adjustments. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can create rectangular and square shapes in CapCut on PC and use them to make your edits look much more professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.